it down so you can reach your mask. Hold the mask towards you. Place it over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Always fit your own mask first before helping others. There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft, which are clearly marked. There are signs which indicate the direction to the exits. Your nearest exit may be behind you. Emergency. The floor path markings will guide you to the exits. You'll find instructions on how to open the exit on each exit door. If you are required to evacuate the aircraft, leave all of your belongings behind and follow the cabin crew's instructions. Your life jacket is located under your seat. If instructed by the crew, remove it from its packaging and place it over your head. Fasten the strap around your waist and pull to tighten. Inflate your life jacket only as you leave the aircraft door. To inflate, pull firmly on the red toggle or blow into the mouthpiece. A light will illuminate on contact with water. Special life jackets are provided for infants. The safety card in your seat area provides important safety information, including exit signs and the correct brace position. نرجو منكم الانتباه جيدا أثناء عرض تعليمات السلامة الخاصة بهذه الطائرة. يجب ربط أحزمة المقاعد قبل إضاءة علامة ربط وتوصية الطعام إلى مكانهما المخصص، وإن النوافذ مكشوفة. سيقوم أفراد الطاقم لإجراء تفقد نهائي. أشكركم على استماعكم ونتمنى لكم رحلة ممتعة مع الاتحاد الطيران.
Cioè?
Il volo ideale per figli,
americano?
bambini.
Ah, pochi bambini, sì.